Welcome. In this video we'll be seeing how to search for an employer on mywex. This is the first thing you should be doing before making a placement to make sure that the employer is not already in the mywex database. From your home screen on mywex, this is what you see as soon as you log in. The first step you'll take is to go to the Employers tab. Click on View Employers. Next, what we probably know is the employer's name, so we can search by their name here. Let's search by Langley. Let's see what we've got with Langley in the name. And we've got Audi Langley, a whole bunch of different places with Langley in it. The red indicates that this is a district WEX employer, so they can only be placed students by the school board office. Alright, what we're actually looking for is 888 Bikes. And we'll see if they're listed. This is a fake company. Oh, and they're not listed. So we can move on to the next step to add an employer to the mywex database. See our next video for that.